week 4, and I'm still not better. In the hospital again. We don't know what's wrong with me. It was allergies with asthma, turned into bronchitis, and now we don't know what it is. So they're sending my swabs for more in-depth testing, because I've had no fever, no flu, no COVID, none of that. But I've been dealing with this mess for 4 weeks. I got more x-rays. Hopefully it's not pneumonia, because now the phlegm is turning dark. So I'm here in this room. Shout out to mom taking care of the kids. Oh, Isaiah has an ear infection, and Jojo has a double ear infection. Everything's fine. We're fine. We're all fine. Also, love where I work, because they're so considerate and so thoughtful. And really, we're like, girl, go get checked. It's more important. My other jobs, we're like, die at your desk.